Hello kids! Do you remember one of our previous videos where we talked about the states of matter? Let's see if you recall them. Solid, liquid, and gas. Great job! Now let's explore how these states of matter respond to heat. Did you know that solids, liquids, and gases all expand when they gain heat and contract when they lose it? Let's learn how it works. In solids, when a solid is heated, its particles gain energy and vibrate more. This causes the solid to expand. For example, metal rods get longer when they are heated, but if the solid loses heat, the particles slow down and the solid contracts or gets smaller. Have you seen cracks in the road in a country with winter? That happens because the road contracts as it gets colder. What about liquids? Liquids also expand when heated. Their particles move faster and spread out. Think about mercury in a thermometer. It rises when the temperature increases because the liquid expands. When liquids cool, they contract as their particles move closer together. And finally, gases. Gases expand the most when heated because their particles zoom around wildly. Hot air balloons work this way. The hot air inside expands, making the balloon rise. But when the gas cools, it contracts and the balloon comes back down. But why does this happen? It's because heat gives particles energy. When particles have more energy, they move faster and need more space. That's expansion. When they lose energy, they settle down and come closer together. That's contraction. Let's learn more about expansion and contraction in the following game. The increase in volume of matter that occurs when matter is heated is called expansion. The amount of space an object takes up is called volume. The decrease in volume of matter that occurs when matter is cooled is called contraction. The measurement of how hot an object or substance is called temperature. Here we have railroad tracks. Why is it important for engineers to design them in a way that it has gaps between rails? The gaps allow for expansion in hot weather. In the ball and ring demonstration here, the ball was not able to fit through the ring when heated. Why? Because the particles of the metal sped up when heated, causing to increase the volume. This is a thermometer. How does the liquid inside a thermometer expand or contract? When the thermometer heats up, the liquid inside rises due to expansion. Good job! Look around you. The effects of expansion and contraction are everywhere. Railway tracks have tiny gaps to prevent them from bending or bulking in the summer heat when they expand. Struggling to open a tight jar lid? Run it under hot water. The metal lid expands, making it easier to twist off. Even bridges are designed with special joints to handle expansion and contraction without cracking. Isn't it amazing how heat changes the size of things around us? That's it for today from Science Nuggets. See you in the next video.